if they asked about their complaint, why they complained from the Taliban's government, those who weren't in the Taliban's government, they say, the people say, even they don't saw the situation by their own eyes. So it's attractive. They took this feeling and complaint from the stories of the films and some other things. It's so shameful. It's so shame for a Muslim, for every person that base their or his or her idea and opinion by the films and the videos, which a director make a video to become famous by that. Although these videos and films are not true, but the people maybe believe everything they see in the videos, and the director is well aware that all of the things he say isn't truth. It was a colonial ideological war, like their work in 20 last years, hunting people, especially the women, to raise their voices against the Taliban. Yes, the majority of the people, especially the women who have expressed their dissatisfaction from the Taliban in the last 20 years with different slogans and different ideas, and they introduced the Mujahideen, wrong people to the world. They were the same people who were affected from American colonialism and ideological occupation. They forgot their Islamic basis of the life, and they accepted and they chose it, the proposed basics by the USA and the democracy, which had no history in Afghanistan.